Today is the last day of concrete. Can't wait to get it all done. Just going to set these up so we can see what we're doing over this side, because it's quite important we get this bit right. Are they good, Paul?
Yes, they are, Thomas.
How hard do they go? We're shuttering this off here because it falls differently. So we'll do that lot first, then when that side's done, this side will hopefully gone off enough to pull the shutter off and pull this bit, because this bit falls a different way. Just on the phone to the old concrete batching plant. There's been an accident, so they're all having to go detoured. And there's a village nearby to the concrete plant where there's been a lady complaining that the lorries have been going past her house too early in the morning, so the lorries are now having to do a 7-mile detour. So we are doing our bit for global warming, thankfully. What's that? What's that?
It's concrete cat.
Oh no! It's turned up already. Concrete's not even here. I'm sorry if it's getting a bit same doing all this concreting, but I can assure you this is the last bit, so this is probably the last concreting video now. I run out of polythene. Don't matter on this little corner. Not going very well today. Do you reckon it's gone off enough? Yeah, we'll find out in a minute, won't we?
Should hold it, yeah. I think so, mate.
Oh yeah, it's alright. Come on.
Yeah, mate.
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh.
We're going to back him in over here now. Start filling this side up, because the camber of this one starts to fall that way now instead. That's why I've had to do it in 2 halves. Alright. So what's happened is there's been an accident on the road, so they're having to go an even further detour around now. And it's going to work out we're 1 lorry load short. So that's really annoying. Hopefully they might give us a load between Christmas and New Year, but if not, we'll have to pour 1 more load in January. Don't think we're quite going to have enough on this lorry. Is that it? That'll finish up it nicely. the only little bit we've got left. It'll just have to be what it'll be. So obviously, with not being able to go through one of the local villages, and there was an accident on the road, so they've had to come even more further around. It's held things up, and we don't really want to be pouring another load at 3 o'clock in the afternoon because it won't go off, because we'll be sat here all night waiting for it to go off otherwise. So hopefully they'll come in on a Saturday or a Sunday for us. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to spread this little bit of concrete here, just pull it about, so when we get the next pour we'll start here again and just do this last. We've worked it out as one more lorry load left to go in. Just getting all the straight edges clean. Giving it the first pan power flow. That joint was just there. You can just see it where we've sort of joined it up. So this concrete here goes like that goes like that, and then it's dipped in the middle there. So the water runs round there, and then out that way, and then it will go along there, and down through that gate and into the field, so we don't have to have any drains. Starting to get dark now. We'll get the lights up again in a minute. And this is only the first time we're going over it with a pan as well. So that's a bit unfortunate. We'll be here for quite a few hours yet. Push them down like that. Angle them all down. Got the UTV lights on the JCB. They were very, very good, they were, if anyone's ever wondering about them. 2 up top, 2 on the boom, 2 down there and 2 on the back. Yeah, they're excellent. These lights are really good, aren't they? Literally light the whole yard up. We're still waiting to get on this bit. It's a good job we didn't pour that bit there, isn't it? Or else we've been here early hours of tomorrow morning as well. So we're still waiting for it. Just get that bit ready to finish off down there. But it's the problem when you lay concrete in winter. It takes ages to go off, even though we've upped the cement content to 400 kg per cube. It is what it is. But we'd rather get it done now than a few months' time when we're busy. Just as we're finishing the concrete in the early hours of the morning, David the cat decides to come and have a look. Well, I'm sure you all know what happened, and we'll leave it at that. So the concrete's all gone off, so we're pleased about that. So we've got another job to do. We're moving a local carpentry company to a unit up the road. We're just starting to load the new low loader up, and we've got the other one down there. Now it turns the whole trailer into a flatbed trailer, so we can get more on it. Taking some more machines out, putting them on the trailer. Got all these to move, palletised them all already. So we can lift up on the mezzanine floor, pick them up and take them out as well. Little things like this as well. I hope he doesn't drop that. I don't know what that machine is, but it looks like you could easily break it. It looks very expensive. We'll have it on the far side, I think. Yeah, hook it round here. Get it just here. Oh, don't hit that. Yeah, come out a bit. We can just drag the last bit round. Right. Go on. Whoa. Right, now do it again. Up. Go on, now go into it again. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Right, you got it. You see, before, we wouldn't have been able to use this back bit of the trailer because it was obviously slanted down, whereas now with this new design with these as well, these are completely out the way, like that, look. We can now get probably 2 or 3 more pallets on the back here, so we don't have to come back for another load. So it's quite good. Yeah, that's good. That's it. Well, I don't think we're going to get much else on here. We are completely loaded. We've got plenty of straps and chains, chain it all down. And we're going to have the next tractor in now and get that trailer loaded. So when you look at this trailer, look. This one hasn't got the floor. You can't put anything on that bit there. And these bars, you see, are always in the way. So if you did want to put something there, you'd have to take the bar off and then put it back on when it's on. Whoa! What was that? Just keep pulling, we didn't hear anything. Go on, off you go. Whoa! Alright. You might as well just keep dragging it. Go that way a bit. It's pretty tight. Watch all these electrics. Watch this electric box here. You alright? Oh, I think we're alright. You watch that. Oh, ho, ho. We're going to get that out. We're alright. Haven't got like 10 mil each side, haven't we? She's out. Yeah, don't go and stick the tines in all them electrics. Oh, down a bit more. Oh. Oh, don't go and hit anything. Yeah, don't go and hit this. I'll tell you when. This way, 200 mil, 200, bit more, 50 mil. Right? Yeah, down at that. Yeah, down at that. That's it, we're on. Go on, just give it a pull. More power. 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 Put it in first and put your foot flat. Whoa. Watch the roof. Go on. Oh, she's out. Righto. Right, stop everything we're doing. Lunch fans here.
This is our last week. Yeah.
This is excellent, isn't it? Just tried to get it out the door, but it's it turns out it's too wide, so now I've got to pull it diagonally to try and get it sideways. Come on. Is it coming? Oh man, I'm just gonna put my foot. I'm just gonna rev it right up. Look at the absolute power of the load-all. First load, all the new ratchet straps. Get a few more, get everything on. And the other load over here, CNC router and the big hydraulic press on the back. Just got a few more straps to put on there. There's chains on this one because it's so big and heavy. There we have it. Another happy person. We're just going to move it around the corner into their new industrial unit. So just in time for the new year, keep them happy. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the concrete and the cat, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.